Recently, I bought the Redmi Watch 4. Around the box, you can see some information regarding the dimension of the watch, the manufacturing place of the watch, and some electrical specs and certification, serial number, and also the features of the watch. It is nice to have those informations on the box, and the packaging makes the product feel premium. Here you go, this is the Redmi Watch 4 from Xiaomi. I think Xiaomi did a great job on the packaging. As you can see, the watch is wrapped by several plastic and stickers, and it feels like quite sturdy and safe. Seems like they are very cautious to prevent from any damage during shipment or delivery. This is the most compact packaging that I have ever seen across all the smartwatch I've bought, because I have to spend some time to unwrap all this plastic. Xiaomi, you really did a great job. As I'm not sure from Apple, I think you are the most compact that I've ever seen so far. Great job. So guys, this is the actual watch after unwrap all the packaging. Please let me know what do you think in the comment box below. By the way, it comes with a user manual that teaches you how to use the watch, and also a watch charger. It is the USB Type B charger, and you just need to find an adapter to connect with. The user manual consists of instructions of wearing, product overview, specifications, and safety precautions in different language. To charge the watch, the charger is a magnetic type connector. You just need to align and connect to the back part of the watch. And you can use the charger of your phone or tablet to charge the watch. To turn on the watch, you need to press the crown of the watch for 10 seconds. And then you will see the Xiaomi logo. And next, you can choose the language based on your own preference. It has a list of languages that you can choose from. To use the watch, you just need to download Mi Fitness on your phone to connect your watch. Just swipe down and scan the QR code on your watch. You will be directed to the Google App Store or Apple App Store. The design of the watch is quite sporty and suitable for casual wear. Some people may say it looks like the Apple Watch Series 9. Yes, I kinda agree with it, but I still like it. The strap of the watch is TPU and I like it and I feel comfortable when I'm wearing it. There is a feature called blood oxygen saturation monitoring. It will monitor the oxygen of your blood throughout the day and sends vibration alerts when the blood oxygen saturation is too low. One of the features I like is the heart rate monitoring. I use it every day and throughout the day to monitor my heart rate when I'm working, when I'm walking, and also when I'm doing some exercise. One feature I feel interesting is the breathing exercise features. It can help us and guide us to inhale and exhale throughout the day when you feel stressed, and also there's a stress monitoring that will prompt you when your stress level reaches 80 twice in a row during your awake time. In summary, this is a good watch in terms of design, features, specs, and also the price is reasonable. I would recommend for those who are looking for a smartwatch can try this as an entry. So this is the end of the video. Please remember to like, subscribe and share to your friend.